Every time you ask ChatGPT something, your data goes to a server somewhere across the globe. But what if you could run powerful AI right on your own machine? 100% private, no internet needed, no API costs. Let's explore local AI today. Cloud AI is convenient, but your conversations are stored externally. Your privacy is compromised. Local AI changes everything. It runs right on your computer. Your data never leaves your machine. In this video, what local AI is, why it matters, the best tools, and how to get started in minutes. Here's what we'll cover. First, what local AI actually is. Then, why you should care. Next, the best tools like Ollama and LM Studio. After that, popular models. And finally, how to start today. Let's begin. Local AI means running large language models directly on your hardware. No cloud servers involved. Your questions, your documents, your conversations, everything processes locally on your machine. No company storing your data, no privacy concerns, no internet required. Modern quantization makes this possible even on everyday hardware. Cloud AI versus local AI. Let's compare. Cloud AI, convenient, yes, but your data goes external, requires internet, monthly fees add up fast, and limited control. Local AI, everything stays private, works offline. Pay once for hardware, full control over models and settings. Both have their place, but local AI gives you ownership. The easiest way to run local AI? Ollama. Open your terminal and type Ollama run Llama 3. That's it. You're now chatting with AI running entirely on your machine. Supports Llama 3, Mistral, CodeLlama, Phi 3, and many more. Free, open source, works on Mac, Linux, and Windows. Under the hood of many local AI tools is Llama.cpp, a lightweight C++ library optimized for CPU inference. It powers Ollama, LM Studio, and many other tools. The GGUF model format, the standard for quantized models, came from Llama.cpp. Prefer a visual interface? Try LM Studio. Download the app. Browse for a model. Start chatting. Clean interface like ChatGPT, but 100% local. No command line needed. Works on desktop. Links in the description below. Two more excellent options worth knowing about. GPT for All, completely free, open source, runs on modest hardware either without a GPU. Gen, a self-hosted ChatGPT alternative, cross-platform, supports many models. Both worth exploring. Now let's talk about why any of this matters. The biggest reason to use local AI, privacy. Your medical questions, financial discussions, personal thoughts. They never leave your device. No company storing your conversations. No data breach risks. No government subpoenas for your prompts. Your data is yours. That's the core value proposition. Cloud AI versus local AI. Let's compare costs. Cloud AI charges $10 or more per month for subscriptions. Local AI runs on your own hardware. The models are free to download and use, no monthly fees, ever. Break-even analysis shows local AI pays for itself within 12 to 24 months. In many cases, you already own the hardware needed to get started. Third benefit, offline capability and speed. No internet required. Use it on airplanes, in remote areas, anywhere. Without network latency, responses can feel instant. No server outages either. Always available. Always responsive. Fourth benefit, complete control. No content policies restricting your use cases. Install any model. Fine-tune for your specific needs. Run it 24/7 on your own server. No one else sets the rules. For researchers and power users, this flexibility is invaluable. Popular models to try. Llama 3 for Meta, 4 out of 5 stars, best all around, great for general use. Mistral 7B, 4 stars, lightweight and fast. Qwen 2.5, 5 stars, excellent for multilingual tasks. Gemma 4, 5 stars, surprisingly capable at small size. DeepSeek Coder, specialized for programming. Phi 3 from Microsoft, surprisingly capable at small size. All free and available to run locally. Quantization shrinks model size without losing quality. A standard 7B model in full precision needs 16 GB of VRAM. With Q4, you just K on quantization. The same model fits in just 7 to 8 GB, half the memory. Quality stays near perfect. Google's TurboQuant goes further, 4 GB total, 4 times faster inference, and 60% less energy. Microsoft's BitNet takes it to the extreme, 1-bit quantization, 2 GB. Runs a 100 billion parameter model on a single CPU, up to 6 times faster. 70% less power. GU format handles all of it. G44L's Kai on Chen, TurboQuant, BitNet, one file format, total flexibility. How much hardware do you need for local AI? For 7 billion parameter models, 16 gigabytes RAM minimum, 32 gigabytes comfortable. A GPU with 8 gigabytes VRAM helps significantly. 13 billion parameter models need 16 gigabytes of VRAM. For best results, use an RTX 4060 Ti or better. 70 billion parameter models require 24 gigabytes of VRAM. That's RTX 4090 territory. You probably already have enough hardware to get started with 7 billion parameter models today. Getting started with Allama takes minutes. Step 1. Download from allama.com. Step 2. Open your terminal. Type Allama run Llama 3. Step 3. Start chatting. No configuration needed. No technical knowledge required. Install. Run. Chat. Simple as that. Prefer a visual interface? There's another option. LM Studio. Download, find a model. Chat. Zero command line needed. Links in description. Let's recap what we've learned. Local AI, private, free after hardware cost, works offline, full control. Top tools. Allama for simplicity. LM Studio for interface. Best models. Llama 3, Mistral, QWin. Your data. Your hardware. Your rules. You have the right to choose. Give it a try this week.